Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Amir Uddin, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, Morning Shift, National Ideal, English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 9. Our today's topic, Assignment-3. Today we will discuss about Assignment-3. This is lecture number 5 and submission date of this assignment is 31/8/2021. That means 31 August 2021. Okay, now the students, let us start our today's class. At first I will read the question of the assignment. Here you are watching a figure and the line DE passing the midpoint of AB and AC. Here midpoint of AB is D and midpoint of AC is E. The line DE passing the midpoint of AB and AC, and here DE is equal to EF. Here the students, it's the point F. DE is equal to EF. Now problem number 1 is, from the figure, find the four vertical angles and write down their relation to one another. Dear students, here the line segment AC and DF intersect each other at the point E. The line segment AC and DF intersect each other at the point E. Therefore, here four angles formed. One angle is AED, another one is CEF, and another one is AEF, and another one is CED. Here AED is the vertically opposite angle of CEF. That means this angle and this angle are vertically opposite to each other. Again AEF is the vertically opposite angle of CED. That means this angle and this angle are vertically opposite to each other. Here the question is, from the figure, find the four vertical angles and write down their relation to one another. Dear students, I have already said the name of four vertical angles. Now we will establish the relationship between these four vertically opposite angles. Okay, here the solution of question number 1 exists. Here the line DE passing the midpoint of AB and AC and DE equal to EF. From the stem we get vertically opposite angle of AED. Vertically opposite angle of AED is CEF. Again vertically opposite angle of DEC is AEF. Now a relation among the four vertically opposite angles are given below. Dear the students, here the line AE meets the point E of the line segment DF. Again I am telling, please carefully attention please. Here the line segments AE meet at the point E of another line segment DF. Therefore, two angles formed. One is AED, another one is AEF. Dear the students, the sum of these two angles, that means AED plus AEF, it will be one straight angle. That means two right angle, that means 180 degree. Here I have written it. AED plus AEF equal to one straight angle equal to 180 degree. It's equation number 1. Dear the students, again EF is another one line segment and its meet the point E of the another line segment AC. Therefore, another two angles formed. One is AEF and another one is CEF. And sum of these two angle will be another one is straight angle, that means 180 degrees. So that we can write AEF plus CEF equal to 180 degree, and I have written it. Angle AEF plus angle CEF equal to one straight angle equal to 180 degree. Dear students, sum of these two angle equal to 180 degree, and again sum of these two angle equal to also 180 degrees. So that we can write sum of these two angle is equal to sum of these two angle. That means angle AED plus angle AEF equal to angle AEF plus angle CEF. Dear students, in both sides angle AEF exists, so that we can omit angle AEF from both sides. Then we can write angle AED equal to angle CEF. Angle AED equal to angle CEF. That means these vertically two angles are equal, and in similar way we can prove that AEF equal to CED. That means these two vertical angles also will be equal, and similarly we can write angle DEC equal to angle AEF. Therefore, the relation among four vertically opposite angles are AED equal to CEF and DEC equal to AEF. Dear students, we have solved question number 1. I think you have understood. Now we will solve question number 2. Here, question number 2 is, what is the relation between the exterior angle AEF, exterior angle AEF of the triangle EFC? What is the relation between the exterior angle AEF and the interior angle ECF? Interior angle ECF and EFC of the triangle CEF. Write it. Dear students, if you see the figure here, ECF is a triangle and AEF is one of its exterior angle. AEF is one of these triangles exterior angle, and this triangle's two interior angle is EFC and ECF. We have to establish a relationship between these three angles. That means with a relationship with the exterior angle AEF with the two interior angle AFC and ECF. Okay, now we'll solve problem number 2. Here the solution of problem number 2 given. Dear students, you know that sum of the three angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. So that we have written, we know sum of the three angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degree or two right angles. Therefore, from triangle CEF, if we consider this triangle CEF, then sum of these three angles, that means angle F plus angle E plus angle C equal to also will be 180 degree. That means CEF plus EFC plus ECF. CEF plus EFC plus ECF equal to 180 degree. Dear students, again EF is a line segment and AC is another one line segment. Here the line segment EF means the point E of another line segment AC. Therefore, two adjacent angle formed, one is AEF and another one is CEF. Dear the students, here the sum of these two angles. Sum of these two angles will be one straight angle or 180 degrees. Sum of these two angles means AEF plus CEF equal to 180 degree we can write. And we have written it. Again, EF line segment meets at E on AC line segment. Therefore, AEF plus CEF equal to 180 degree. This is equation number 4. Dear students, we have got two equation here, 3 number equation and 4 number equation. Here the value of the sum of these 3 angle equal to 180 degree and value of the sum of these 2 angle equal to also 180 degrees. So that we can write sum of these 3 angle equal to sum of these 2 angle, and we have written it. Dear students, in both sides angle CEF exists. CEF. From both sides we can omit angle CEF. Then only in left side only angle AEF will be exist, and in right side angle EFC and ECF will be exist. So that we can write AEF equal to EFC plus ECF. AEF equal to EFC plus ECF. This is the relationship between the exterior angle of AEF with the other two interior angle. AEF equal to EFC plus ECF, which is the required relation. Dear students, we have solved problem number 2 also. I hope you have understood it. Now we will solve question number 3. Here problem number 3 is, will DE parallel VC be there? Here DE and VC, these two lines parallel or not, we have to prove it. Will DE parallel VC be there? Prove it with logic. Dear students, I will not give the full solution of this problem. We have already taught you theorem number 15 from your textbook, and its page number is 139. We hope you will be able to make the solution of this problem, and you can take support from the theorem 15 of textbook. Okay, I hope you will be able to solve problem number 3, and you can take help from your textbook. Now we'll solve question number 4. Question number 4 is, if BC greater than AB in a triangle ABC, here it is another one triangle where BC is greater than AB and it cut the bisector AC of the angle ABC at the point Z, then find that the angle BZA is an acute or obtuse angle. Prove it. Dear the students, solution of 4 number problem given here. We'll solve now problem number 4. Here in the question it is given that one triangle which name is ABC and its side BC is greater than side AB. Given if BC greater than AB, BC is greater than AB in a triangle ABC and it cut the bisector AC, of the angle ABC. Angle ABC at the point Z. From the information we draw the triangle. Here BZ is the bisector of the angle ABC. Okay, dear the students, now step 1. In triangle ABC, we can write BC is greater than AB. This information given in the question. From the question we can write it. BC is greater than AB. Since BC is greater than AB, so that we can write angle A is greater than angle C. How can we write it? Because you know that the angle opposite to greater side is greater. Here BC side BC is greater, so its opposite angle A angle also will be greater. And side AB is smaller, so its opposite angle C also will be smaller. So that this is given in this question, and from this information we can write it. Angle A is greater than angle C. Okay, now we have taken half of angle B in both sides. Half of angle B and half of angle B. We have taken half of angle B in both sides, adding half of angle B on both sides. It is step number 1. Now step 2. For ABC triangle, which is the triangle ABC, ABC triangle, for this triangle, here BGC is the external angle, exterior angle, BGC. This angle is the exterior angle of this triangle. Now BGC equal to what can we write? BGC angle equal to, we can write angle A plus angle ABC. Since BG is the bisector of B angle, so instead of ABC, we can write half of angle B. That means this angle equal to BGC angle equal to, we can write angle A plus half of angle B. And we have written it. External angle BGC equal to opposite interior angle A plus half of B. Half of B means, B angle means full angle, and half of B means ABC angle. So external angle BG is equal to opposite interior angle A angle and plus half of B angle. Now the students, step 3. Step 3 for BGC angle. BGC triangle, sorry, for BGC triangle, here BZA. If we consider BGC triangle, then BZA, this angle will be its exterior angle. And this exterior angle equal to, we can write this C angle plus half of this B angle. So that we can write BZA angle equal to angle C plus half of B. External angle BZA equal to opposite interior C angle plus half of B. Dear students, here we have written half of angle angle A plus half of angle B is greater than half of angle B plus C. We have written this line here, angle A plus half of B is greater than angle half of B plus C. Now A plus half of B equal to what? Here A plus half of B equal to BGC angle. So instead of A plus half of B, we can write angle BGC. Again, C plus half of B equal to what? Here C plus half of B equal to angle BZA. So instead of C plus half of B, we can write BZA. That means finally we can write angle BGC is greater than angle BZA. Angle BGC, this is greater than angle BZA. Dear the students, here these two angle BGC and angle BZA. These two angles are adjacent angle. And from the figure you are watching that sum of these two angles is 180 degree. But the measurement of these two angles is not equal. If the measurement of these two angles will be equal, then we can say that BZA angle equal to 90 degree and BGC equal to also 90 degree. But since here BGC is greater than BZA, so that BGC will be greater than 90 degree and BZA will be smaller than 90 degree. That means BZA will be acute angle and BGC will be obtuse angle. Here we have written as the two angles are adjacent and unequal, so that BZA angle will be greater than 0 degree, but it will be less than 90 degree. Again, BGC will be greater than 90 degree, but it will be less than 180 degrees. So that finally we can take a decision that angle BZA is an acute angle. Okay, dear students, we have finished our today's class. I think you have understood today's class. Do your assignment properly, and its 11th week assignment and its submission date is 31 August 2021. Do your assignment properly and submit on scheduled time. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah.